In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Excel tutorial. Open Excel and start with a blank workbook. We'll build a clean professional invoice from scratch so you can reuse it anytime. First, switch to the View tab and choose Page Layout. This view shows margins, headers, and how your invoice fits on a printed page or PDF, which helps you design with the final look in mind. If needed, adjust orientation and margins so everything fits neatly on one page. At the top of the sheet, set up your business details. Type your company name in a large, bold font and place your address just below it. If you have a logo, insert it so it aligns nicely with the company name. You can merge a few top cells to create a single clean header area and use alignment tools to keep things tidy. Just below that, add your client's name and address so it's clear who the invoice is for. Next, add the invoice details. Create labeled cells for invoice number, invoice date, and due date. For the date, you can type 1 manually or use the formula each today to insert the current date automatically. Keep these fields grouped and easy to spot. Consistency will save you time every time you reuse this file. Now build the itemized section. Create column headers for description, quantity, unit price, and total. Widen the description column, set quantity and unit price to number or currency format, and right-align numbers so they're easier to scan. Add some subtle fill color to the header row and bold it to make it stand out. Enter your formulas next. In the total column for the first line item, multiply the quantity by the unit price. Then copy that formula down for all item rows. Below the list, create a subtotal line and use the sum formula on the total column to add everything up. This keeps the math accurate even as you add or remove items. Under the subtotal, add a tax rate line and a tax amount that multiplies subtotal by your tax rate. Then create a final total line that adds subtotal and tax. Format these cells as currency and make the final total bold so it's the focal point. To polish the look, uncheck grid lines in the View tab. Add light borders around the item table and ensure fonts and spacing are consistent. When you're happy, save it as an Excel template so you can reuse it or export to PDF to send to your client. That's your professional invoice ready to go.